What's up, guys? Today we're going to be using every character in the Heroes Battlegrounds. I've never played this game before, but it looks like a good game, so we're gonna play it. Let's try to learn some combos. Yo, that was a sick combo. Let me try it again. Do I have wall combos in this game? Maybe. We're gonna try to get the ult, because we're gonna be using all of the characters in this game. So stay tuned. And we will be trying to get mastery on this skin so I can get something else. Because there's a new update on the skin and I'm going to use it. So wait, I already did one of the quests. I need to wait 2 hours and 7 minutes in order to do it. I'm just going to learn some combos and try to get the ult on each one. I think this is supposed to be Deku, because it looks like him too. Let me check the characters to see if it's like from My Hero Academia. Yep, it's from My Hero Academia, no doubt about it. Um, it seems like it's gonna end up to be a good game. So let's try it. Alright, we have our ult, so let's use it. You're not bad. Okay. I think beyond 100 is like a long range move, so. You get infinite dashes? That's cool. Alright. Oh! What? Yo, this is beyond 100? Oh! My god! Oh, it's unskippable! Oh! Yo! It's unskippable! What? Alright, so we gotta check out beyond 1000. Let's go. Oh! My god! That has to be like best move in the game. OMG, bro. Oh my. What? I absolutely love this game, bro. What's this? Oh! Dang! Let's just kill this dummy so it can respawn back. Yeah. Alright, let's just. Oh. That was cool. Alright, now we gotta use Hero Slayer. Alright, it looks really cool. It has a story. I bet it's spammy because, like, in TSB, it, like, everything with the story is, like, so spammy. What the? Use again? Oh, okay. Not bad. The M1 is, like, not that good. It's a little slow. Oh, and the, first one that we used, Green Hero, I would rate it a, 9 out of 10. Next we're trying out Hero Slayer. This thing might get lower than a 9 because I'm just guessing. It has a chance to prove me wrong. Because the third move here is like cool. And fourth move curl piece. You can stun them. I got it. This is like wow. So oh okay. Um once we get the ult, we will give it a rating after the ult is all done. And if we don't get to use all the moves, then we have to get the ult again. And yeah, it's gonna be a hard grind. So stay tuned before I don't get to use any of my moves on the ult, and then it will become really hard. Because I'm not trying to do that. Oh, it does have a wall combo. I'm just gonna keep using this as a finisher because that's like really cool. It's 1,000 slices, triple dagger throw. Right now I'm just spamming moves because I'm not really trying to learn combos with this. Because I won't be like that good with the fourth move. Because Girdle Pierce is like not like that good. But it's really cool, but it doesn't really do that much damage. It stuns them. That's the only part I like about it. And the finisher like this. Dang! Yeah, I like that, bro. Girdle Pierce. Stun. That was a drain, bro. Let's check out this ult. We almost got it. Boom, we have our ult. Let's go use it. Oh. Okay. I have aura. Oh, wait, did all of them has infinite dashes? Is that a counter? Oh. Shoot, man, that's good. Oh. Oh! That is sick. OMG, bro. Bro, that thing only did 1 damage. Exactly 1 damage. No wonder it's a stun. Yeah, I hate that, bro. Did my dash just become stronger? Alright, once again, let's kill it so it can respawn back. That ult was pretty slow. Not gonna lie. Alright, and he's finished, bro. Next, we are gonna use something called Azlar Flames, Azul Flames. And, it has flames, so I bet it does tick damage. It looks like a good one. Ember's Assault. Okay. 1 damage. Ember's Assault does 1 damage. Ember Eruption. Not bad, not bad. Infernal Burn. I look like a long range move. Azul Grab. Yeah, you can learn some combos with this. Not gonna lie. I'm lagging. Oh no. Skibbity. Okay, I think we're good. Oh yeah, well, we good. That was Okay, why can't I move? All I can do is M1. Hold on, I got a tab over here. What was this? Ow. This actually sucks. I'm gonna crash, bro. Get this thing. Technical difficulties. Sorry about that. I will crash out. Okay, chat. We all good. My bad. My bad. Sorry, chat. We're gonna try not to lag again. And you know I gotta put on my shift lock. I think the fourth move is only good for comboing because it's a long range move that only does 1 damage. Wee. Okay, so they all have the same wall combo. Alright. This is actually really cool. Oh, bro went long. Bro got long. Yo, I got like little fires on my hands. That's sick. Whoa, bro. That felt completely different. We That move is like so funny because you kind of like grab them and it only does 1 damage. That's like getting pushed over by someone twice their size. That's how it feels to get taking 1 damage. Does it have a finisher? Rawr! I'm crashing. I don't even know if it has a finisher because it only does 1 damage. What was I expecting? Um, so this is really good. Oh no, the lag is coming back. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I think it is a long range move. Wow, amazing. Why is it so hard to grind up this ult, bro? Usually it only takes 3 NPCs just to get your ult. I've never seen, like, to kill 5 enemies just for this ult. This ult better be good. Because, I will crash out. I will be the most crash out you've ever seen. And, yeah, so, um, Hero Slayer, which is the last one we tried, I would rate that like I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Because it wasn't really that good. It didn't have any unskippable cutscenes. And that I don't like that. It's absolutely buns. Um, let's check if the second move is an actual long range. Oh, oh well. Oh shoot. Let's go. Alright. That move does only 1 damage sometimes for some reason. Hold up, be right back. Alright, chat, I'm back. Um, Hold up, let me check if we have ult. Yes, we do have ult. So let's use it.